Hey, y'all, you know what I'm saying? Your boy had to do this, you know what I'm saying? Singing in the bathroom in my boxes. I mean, I don't know if y'all can see that or not, but you know, yeah, that's my boxes. Alright, so anyway, this song is dedicated to all the lovers out there that been dissed and found new love. You feel me? Like Romeo and Juliet. Anyway, here you go. I'm focused on what I do, 'cause every time I try to get with you, I lose my mind and I start crying, 'cause you haven't got or you be lying, but it's okay. I'm alright, girl, 'cause I found another and she's alright. Yeah, 'cause I need a girl that I can hold. I need a girl that I can kiss. 'Cause I'm a one-time lover. Hey, I'm tripping. Anyway, I just had to do this, you know what I'm saying? I thought it was the right time to do this, you know. Yeah, the way I got, Anyway, go out to my girl, you know what I'm saying? She know who she is, so I ain't even worried about that. But if she want me to throw her name out there like that, you know what I'm saying? I will, 'cause she my boo. And I ain't never gonna cheat on my boo. Remember that. One love. Holla!